Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Guys, once again, I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker. This broker is providing $111 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $111 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all and the terms and condition. Headway, $111 no deposit bonus 2024. $111 bonus for your first steps in Forex. Get the real trading experience without personal initial deposits. We give you a $111 bonus to start your trading way successfully and without initial deposits. Along with the bonus, you also get huge opportunities for a whole week and the first trading experience in Headway. Get the bonus, meet the requirements, and share your impressions. Crystal clear start. Open bonus account. Instantly get your $111 bonus. Enjoy your 7 days trading. Open an account. Click and fill form to get $111 deposit bonus for 7 days. What's the plan? 1. Open an account and get the bonus. After opening the bonus account, it instantly will be credited with $111. No verification or deposit is needed to get the bonus. Start trading and enjoy your first profit in Headway. 2. Start trading in the next 7 days. Learn how to trade, practice, experiment, and try to get as much as you can from this week while the bonus is active. Remember the only thing, you can't manage other financial processes like deposits, withdrawals, internal transfers, etc. 3. Finish and fix the profit. When the bonus period ends, the bonus account will be closed. Don't worry, your profit will be fixed and displayed in the personal area. You can withdraw at any time once the conditions are fulfilled. 4. Withdraw the profit and use it your way. I want all of you to read this you own. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks.